There is a peak boarding position marked for the Shinano at the foot of platform 10. Please wait at the foot of the pink Shinano mark in cars 1 to 8. Unreserved seats are in cars 7 and 8. Please wait along the pink queue line. There are no in-car sales or vending machines on the Shinano Express. Please make any purchases before boarding.